What I have here are a couple of Shanling audio sources. One is Shanling M1S and the other one is Shanling US6, priced at 210 or 20,000 Indian rupees S, or 170 and 18,000 Indian rupees S. So I will unbox the M1 Plus here first. M1 Plus, as I said, this one is priced at $210 or 20,000 Indian rupees. Now this does on first go do look like a Shanling H2 with a display, but there are some differences when it comes to the specification. I will tell you the power ratings are nearly exactly same, but this one uses 9038 if I'm not wrong, a dual 9038 DAC chips. The amp is more or less the same. If we read into the specification, there isn't a lot of information on the box, but 3.2 inch, both 3.5 and 4.4 mm balanced output. There is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, PCM decoding and everything, up to 2 TB of micro SD card, Type C USB port, USB digital input and output. So yeah, it can be used with USB dongles, no issues there. So let's unbox this. I do not expect anything fancy here because usually these DAPs do not come with anything fancy at all. Let me put it aside. Let's have a look at the accessories. All I am expecting is a cable and nearly nothing else. So this is the USB cable. Looks decent, nothing fancy, no braiding or anything like that, no external braiding. Some documentation should be here. Yeah, little bit of documentation and that's it, nothing at all. There's a screen guard. Okay, I think it's a screen guard. Yes, there is a screen guard here, screen protector. I think one should be installed on the device and one is here. So this is kind of generous from a DAP package. So if we look into the design, this is a good looking DAP. I will have to buy a case for it, I think, or maybe not, I'm not exactly sure, but we will see. So if you guys will see, there is a screen protector already on the DAP. I'm not exactly sure if there is any battery in this device or not, so let's turn it on. Let's try to turn it on. Okay, so it's turning on. Life is short. Play more. Okay, English. So this is their M-Touch interface. This is not exactly Android or anything like that. Click on top status bar to access volume settings and sliders. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this is their M-Touch interface. There is nothing fancy here. We get title, update library, folders, artist, album, genres, high-res, frequent, okay, composers, and the basic sorry about that, the basic stuff are here. Sorry again. Yeah, the basic stuff are here, nothing fancy. No Android support or anything like that. You cannot install any software or anything like that. Update library, and yeah, it looks fairly fast, no issues there. So you can choose what can be displayed here, so that is a good thing. System settings, language, wireless settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sync link. Okay, so if you have used a Shanling DAP before, You guys can find this kind of settings in their DAP only mode too. So that is a decent thing, no issues there. About device M1 firmware version v1.7 card capacity. I have not installed any card or anything like that. So this one uses a Imagic, if I'm not wrong, X2000 chip inside it for processing, reset and settings, theme, pop color. Okay, let's see what is pop color. Screen rotation 0 degree, 180 degree. Okay, nice. That's a decent feature if you use it some other way. Button lock, double tap to turn. Okay, that's a useful thing. Anyway, let's set the time. Auto set is on, but I'm not exactly sure if this is the right time or not. Idle, sleep timer is off. Display settings, network services, DLN, AirPlay, Wi-Fi file transfer. Okay, so it supports Wi-Fi file transfer. That is interesting. In any case, wireless settings, Bluetooth, and yeah, this is it. This is the unboxing of Sharnling M1 Plus. This is not metal. This is metal. This is not metal. I can tell you from the feel of it. This is plastic, hard plastic, or you can say fiber kind of thing. But this is metal. We are getting micro SD card, USB-C, and yeah, as usual, 4.4 and 3.5 mm jack support. Good looking device. So this wheel can be used for adjusting the volume. Let me keep it at 50. Okay, this is perfectly fine. Life is short, play more. Okay, got it. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Sharnling M1 Plus. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.